You look great. Okay. So good morning, Lauren.
We've been traveling for 27 hours.
Yeah.
Maybe,
So
you know what? We got to the airport early. We've been traveling for 30 hours.
So ignore the fact that we look really, yeah. But cool thing is that this series, it is going to be a whole South African cruise series. This first video is going to highlight everything from the ship's perspective. None of it's going to be off of the ship. The next videos will be all kind of fun videos. Yeah, excursions, all of our excursions, everything we do. So this video is literally going to be day one, which is basically today, all the way until we disembark. So welcome to our South African cruise. Well, I guess and Namibia, because we're going to Namibia too. So South Africa and Namibia. Okay, Lauren, we've done Carnival, we've done Royal, we've done Disney,
Yep.
We've never done Norwegian. Are you ready? And actually, this is the first time on embarkation day we're entering in on the ground level, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, that was really like we went through the same security that everyone would go through.
Yeah. But yeah, here we go. I guess we're going up one level. So mini room tour. There's the bed. Oh, you're going straight for the view. Oh, that's a nice balcony. Oh, dang. Oh, I think this thing slides across, so. But there's our view. And there's Table Mountain. Okay, guys, we have been up for over 24 hours. We're gonna get some sleep, shower, and get more sleep. We'll see you guys in a bit. Good afternoon, Lauren. Okay, so we're well rested. We're rested.
Yeah.
We're obviously changed and enjoying cocktails. But what do you think so far of the Jade?
Pretty nice. I know that by the end of this we will know where we're going, but right now it seems really big and
Yeah.
confusing.
So yeah, so one thing, if you guys ever get to see us on a cruise, one thing we always do on the first day, we had ours delayed because we literally came in and slept. But we usually come on
I
and
don't know. We got in. We got on the ship. We walked up to the buffet. We walked across that deck where the pool also was. And Matthew goes, I don't know where we are. I'm lost. I don't know. I'm telling you, Gerard. I don't know where we are.
I was
We'd only
tired.
been on one deck.
I was tired. In my defense, I was very tired. But we're rested. We're not well rested, but we're rested. But yeah, now it's dinner time, and unique thing here is they have a lot of specialty dining. We're not going to a specialty tonight, but they have two main dining rooms. I don't know which one we're going to tonight, but it's gonna be fun. Are you excited? But okay, Lauren. So we are at the. Is this the Grand Pacific?
Yes.
Okay, so we're at the Grand Pacific, and we learned now between the two dining rooms, because again, this is our first one with Norwegian. One is very fancy, one is not. We're definitely in the fancier one, not fancy dressed. Very Annie. Well, I forgot to video the appetizer, but what'd you get?
Chicken burger.
That actually looks really good. I got pork spare ribs. You said that wasn't what you were expecting. What were you expecting?
Just plain chicken.
Yeah, but does it look good?
Oh yeah, so it's like breaded.
Oh, that's so cool. Good morning, Lauren.
Good morning.
Welcome to day 2. Officially. But it is 5:30 in the morning. Yes, the sun is already up, and yes, the jet lag is real. Because we've been up since, what, 4 in the morning? We also went to bed at like 7
I went to bed
p.m.
at like 7.
Yeah, 7 p.m. But yeah, today's fun. We are starting off our morning at Ocean's Breakfast, which is actually like right next to our room.
It's open for breakfast.
Yeah, the only
But
place.
I do like how close it is.
Honestly, it's like right next to our room, but it's the only place open for breakfast at 5:30 in the morning. But yeah, we'll show you guys what we get, and we will see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we got pancakes, corned beef hash, bacon, toast, and what'd you get, honey?
A breakfast sandwich.
It's gonna be fun. But Yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit. We're gonna enjoy our breakfast, and then we will see you guys this afternoon when we come back to the ship. Okay, so we're back at the ship, enjoying the best part about having a balcony. We have 2 drinks, and yeah, okay, yeah.
Oh, we forgot to look at the shipping and to see how it...
Oh, if it extends out? Yeah, so you'll see buses loading here because there's actually another ship, which is an MSC ship right over here that's embarkating. There is, on the other side of us, there is the, what was that one? The Azamara. Unique thing with this cruise terminal for Cape Town is every ship comes through this gateway here, and then you go to your ship. We got the bonus one because like we literally get on and it's like bam, you're like at the ship. And all the other cruise ports we've been in, you have like your own little entryway, you know. But yeah, this one every ship. So when we came in right now, MSC is embarkating, and so they have their giant line of embarkation, and we had to go through the same thing. So it's interesting in Cape Town, but yeah, if you stay tuned, you guys, for a video with everything we did in Cape Town. But we're at dinner, and we're officially sailing. This is the first cruise we've been on where we don't start moving until day 2. But yeah, we are back at the... This is... Which dining room is this one again? Grand Palace.
Good evening.
Hello.
Welcome to Grand Pacific. My name is Glenn. I'm your waiter for today. Do you have any allergies?
No.
No.
Here's your bed for today.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Grand Pacific. Guys, we're learning this. It's fun. Hey, Lauren. Where are we? What are we doing?
We are at dinner.
Yeah. We're at Teppanyaki. You excited?
Welcome to the most quiet and romantic restaurant. Where are you from, sir? wash it first before we get started. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, butterfly. Anna. Anaconda. Anna, let's dance. You can dance. You can dance. The lyrics. Now, 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 my mom one. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh!
Mom, don't worry. There's one more. There's one more chance.
One more.
Alright, anybody wanna try?
So, how's your rice?
If you want more soy sauce.
Okay, so we just got back from Teppanyaki, which, by the way, how was it?
It was delicious.
It was delicious. We have a letter. What's in the letter?
I think I know what this is. Ready? Congratulations!
Oh,
We
man.
are pleased to announce that you have been selected to dine with our senior officers. With our senior officers. Sorry.
Guys, we're having dinner with... I don't want to say it's the captain, but the senior officers. What day?
January 5th, Thursday?
Thursday.
January the 4th?
We should check our dining schedule and
Tomorrow.
see. But yeah, guys, we're gonna dine with the officers.
That's cool.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So, actually, I don't think we have much other stuff planned for tomorrow's. Because is that tomorrow? Is tomorrow Thursday?
Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah. So I guess the next clip you'll see is when we're dining with some officers. You excited? Okay, guys, so we did our dinner with.
Well, there's a typo in this.
There's a typo?
Look at the temperature.
Oh, there is a typo right in the temperature. But yeah, we did our dinner. We were with Marco, who's the chief engineer?
No, he's electrical engineer.
Electrical engineer. My bad. But yeah, it was a good dinner. We didn't film anything in it because we wanted to enjoy it, but it was really fun. We went to the other main dining room for the first time, which was Alizar. I think that's how you say it. But it was fun. The ship is really rocking right now. Like really rocking. They put bags out by the elevators for people, but yeah, we don't have anything else really planned today, but we will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's kind of a sea day, kind of not. We are technically going to a port, but we don't arrive at the port until like 8 p.m. So yeah, we'll see you guys in Richards Bay. I think that's where we're going tomorrow. Bye. Well, good morning from our sea day, sort of. Well, hello again, Lauren. I realize it's been a while since I've actually busted out Lola, and I realized most of the time for this video, it's us eating. And I didn't film our one yesterday when we were in the Italian one, the La Cucina. But, Lauren, where are we? What are we about to do?
We are at Cagney Steakhouse.
Yeah. We're about to have a delicious steak, hopefully. I'm pretty sure it's going to be delicious. Are you excited? So guys, that is the butter, and there's the bread. Are you excited?
Yeah.
This is going to be a great meal. What'd you get? And then I got a onion, or it's basically a French onion soup.
It looks solid on the top.
Yeah, it looks cool. You ready?
Yes.
So we got a 8-ounce filet mignon. I got butter, and you got chimichurri. And then we got some sides that are coming too. Are you excited? Okay, honey. So we are partially through our steak. What do you think?
It's really good.
And then we also have sides. You got a fully loaded baked potato. You got zucchini. I got truffle mashed potatoes and truffle fries.
Yes.
So far, really good. I got a 7-layer chocolate cake, and what'd you get?
Look at that.
You look so happy with creme brulees and fruit.
So fancy looking.
Okay, let's dive in, honey.
Okay, a very, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome here at the Spinnaker Lounge for your Broadway Cabaret. My name is Queenie, one of your good
right off the away. There's someone to anyway. I will know right away soon as it shows.
You're sitting alone in your room. Come hear the music play. Life is a cabaret auction. Forget your troubles. Come on, get happy. You better chase all your cares away. Shout hallelujah. Come on.
You kind of missed, honey. Are you kidding me? Hold on. I have to move that one. Hold on. This is what hanging out with Lauren is like. When she starts winning, she starts singing. If you would have gotten more points there,
Yeah, it would have been 10 minus.
guys, I would like you to know the scoreboard is lying. I'm winning. Wait, what are you doing to the scoreboard?
Nothing.
What are you... What,
Oops.
what are you doing? Honey, the game's over. And let's tally up the score. Hold on. Let me... Look at that. I was yellow. Wait,
Yellow. Tell me where yellow is.
Lauren won, guys. Lauren won. Yeah, let's just go for a walk. I think those are just birds. No? Okay, Lauren, what do we find?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, those are seals. Oh, come back up, little guy.
Oh.
Oh, 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 he's gonna come. Oh, maybe not. But we did see a little baby one. We didn't get it on film, and the little baby one was like, bloop. That was cool. Okay, so what is your favorite thing we've done on or off the ship?
I like the dance classes on the ship.
Yeah.
And then off the ship, I mean, we went on safaris, so
Yeah.
that was pretty good.
And those videos are coming soon. The dance class we did one today, which was taught by Jess, what's her name? She was a dancer on the ship, which is kind of cool. But stay tuned, we have a lot of videos coming. The next video will be Robben Island, where you'll get to see that. And then after that, you'll see all of our safaris. We got a bunch of them back to back. But thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you guys in the next video while we eat more food. Bye, guys.
Away, away, nukuimua. And when it's time to find home, we know the way.